Hello, welcome to another episode of Master Investors podcast. Today's theme is going to be about bringing value to whichever conversation, whether it's business or personal relationship we encounter. We must provide value to the table. And what I mean by that is seeking an opportunity to improve conditions at all times. When we become valuable, then the money finds us, the success follow, and everything else that we desire will come to us, because value attracts money and everything else that comes with money and success. Therefore, we must ensure that we strive to bring value to the relationships that we have on a daily basis, and following back with those relationships after the conversation that we have with them is important, it's critical. I suggest that we all write an email following up to the conversation of each relationship that we have. It's so important because, number one, we cover ourselves to ensure that what was said on the conversation, it is what it is, and we're putting it on piece of paper, on a document. So 6 months later, 3 months later, that cannot be changed, because they have the opportunity to respond back and say, yes, that sounds about right. That's what we talked about. So the important thing is to put that down on a piece of paper and send it as a follow-up, so that we can pen down what we want, and we can discuss anything else that needs to be resolved in that conversation if need to. In other words, if they don't like something that we follow up with them, we said something that maybe they said that they want to take back, or they want to change it, they have an opportunity the very next day to say, hey, I really meant to say this, or I really meant to say that. But if they don't, then it's a done deal, right? So now they can't move from that position. The whole purpose is to keep people in their position so that we can move faster towards our deals and towards the end goal and objective of every conversation, every deal that we have. Money, business, investing is all about relationships at the end of the day. We have a business, we have to serve the marketplace, we have to serve people. And business is all about understanding people and observing them and finding a need and filling that need, bringing value to the marketplace. Once we become valuable, then the marketplace has nothing but to give us what we always desire, which is the financial freedom, the wealth, the health, and everything that comes with that. Because when we have more money, we can buy better supplements, we can buy better coaches, we can tap into a better network, and really money answers all things at the end of the day. So it's the lack of money that is the root of evil, not necessarily the love of money. The love of money is actually a very good thing, because we understand that money makes the world go around. We can't go far without money. It's like oxygen. We can't really go very far without. So it's important that we understand that having value in everything that we do should be our priority. If we go into something that we cannot provide value, then we should not go into that unless we're there to learn, and we actually, for that purpose, there to soak in everything that we don't know. So, but if we have the opportunity to do business with anybody, if you want that relationship, if we want that relationship to stay with us forever and to be a lucrative one, then we must provide value. So remember, what is our value to the marketplace? That's the question for today, and I'm going to leave you with that. Okay, what is the value that we have to offer to the marketplace? Let's ask that question every single day. Write down the answer and check a week later to see if every single day is the same, and then let's hone down on that, or on those passions, okay? And whatever we have to offer to the marketplace, whatever we're valuable, we must bring that out and turn that into money by serving the marketplace with our talents and gift. If there's any shortcut in life to tap into success, because at the end of the day, it's not the goal. Success and being rich is not the goal. Living through our talents is the goal. Being able to thrive through our talents, to live our life through our talents 100%. That is the goal. Everything else will follow. But first, let's find out our passions and then tap into that and learn how to position ourselves in the marketplace so that we can create an income, a passive income, not just an ordinary income where we're exchanging time for money, but we're gonna be building the passive income, which is the income of the ultra rich. 3 types of income: ordinary income, portfolio income, and passive income. Ordinary income comes from having a job, exchanging your time, getting that salary, get that paycheck every 2 weeks or every week. You exchange your time, the company pays you. That's ordinary income. That's about 95% of the whole population. That's the only income that they know. Portfolio income is the paper commodities such as stocks, trading, and all of those things that are called paper assets. So, but the truly income of the rich is the passive income. That's the income, that's the holy grail, that's the cash flow, that's where the cash flow comes from. And it's smart to focus on that. And that's what we're going to be doing here. Focus on passive income, the income of the rich. All right, it comes from assets, and it comes even when we're asleep. We don't have to work for that money. So I'll talk to you in the next video, the next podcast. Follow us on Master Investor on all platforms. I'll see you, and I'll talk to you in the next. Have a great day.